Boasting a gasket mount for improved stability, a Hotswap PCB, and a ball catch system for rapid and easy experimentation. The MonsGeek M1V5 is a 75% mechanical keyboard prioritizing customization. Built with an aluminum case and incorporating sound dampening materials, the M1V5 offers a premium typing experience. The support for MonsGeek dedicated software allows for extensive customization, including key remapping, lighting effect, and a macro creation. Vibrant per key RGB backlighting, multi-mode connectivity, a long-lasting 8000 mAh battery, and a dedicated knob enhance its usability. It combines durability, style, and reduced noise for a refined and enjoyable user experience.